Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What kind of songs do you like? I like soft and melodious songs. They make me feel relaxed and happy. Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Arijit Singh. His voice is very emotional and soothing. Do you like to listen to music every day? Yes, I listen to music every day. It keeps me fresh and improves my mood. When do you usually listen to songs? I usually listen to songs when I travel or before sleeping. It helps me feel calm. Do you prefer old songs or new songs? I like old songs more because they have beautiful lyrics and feelings. New songs are good too, but old songs touch the heart. Do you sing songs yourself? Yes. Sometimes I sing when I am alone or with friends. It makes me happy even if I am not a great singer. Do you like Bollywood or English songs more? I like Bollywood songs more because I understand the lyrics. But I also enjoy English songs with good music. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is Tum Hi Ho. It is full of emotions and I never get bored of it. Do you think songs can change your mood? Yes, definitely. A happy song can make me smile, and a sad song makes me emotional. Do you listen to music while studying or working? Sometimes I do. Soft background music helps me concentrate better. Great job, everyone! You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.